Hello everyone, and today we have a new Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra, and what we have is the new model, and we have quite interesting things to see. So Galaxy S1 Ultra 5G is far and away the best equipped phone. Is the only one that keeps the screen resolution at 1440p plus and is the first Samsung to reach 120 Hz at that resolution. And it has the most advanced adaptive refresh rate of the bunch, going as low as 10 GHz and the brightest too, peaking at 1500 nits. The camera is miles ahead as well. The phone can record 4K 60 FPS video with any of its cameras. Yes, even with selfie cam. And it has excellent zoom performance. 1x to 3x is handled by the 108 megapixel sensor. There is a 3x telephoto lens for mid-range zoom, then from 10 to 100 times the periscope lens takes over. The major criticism against the S21 Ultra is that it's big and expensive. Charging doesn't seem that fast, but 50% charge in 30 minutes is not necessarily bad. And we wish there were some brighter colors options, but that feels a little like nitpicking. So here's the information, quite short about that. We have a large battery, we have optional storage, quite big. So, and the price €1,250, and charging limit to 25 watts, and it was 45 on S20 Ultra. Okay, now let's see what the Samsung S21 Plus 5G has to offer. So it's not the best of the three and not the cheapest compared to the vanilla S21. The advantages are few and mostly related to size. Other than that, it's almost the same phone. And we said we're not going to compare it against S20 Plus, but the same 2020 model is still in the back of our minds. Samsung could have kept the Plus display at 1440p plus resolution and it still wouldn't have stepped on Ultra's toes. Or at least it would have upgraded the cameras compared to the smaller S21. As it stands, the only two reasons to pick the S21 Plus over the vanilla S21 are screen size and battery life. As for the S21 Ultra, let's say that the €200 price difference is the only thing that Plus has going for it. So the screen size almost as large as 6.7, battery almost as large as Ultra's 480, and UVB. And so here's the display. Okay. And 12 main camera, fixed focus ultra wide camera, 10 megapixel camera. Wow, that's really bad. Only 12 megapixel camera. Now let's read about S21 5G. So it doesn't suffer as much as the Plus from its downgrade to 1080 pixel resolution due to its smaller display size. Also, the 6.2 panel is great for everyone who thinks that 6.5 phones are too big. There are few odd downgrades compared to the Plus and the Ultra. For one, with all three have Gorilla Glass Victus on the front, the S21 is the only one with the glass stick back. Also, it loses the ultra-wide band feature. Okay, so there are few odd downgrades compared to the Plus and the Ultra. For one, while all three, okay, I read it. So, and it also loses the ultra-wide band feature, which is like super Bluetooth. It offers faster data transfer speeds between phones and it can detect the direction of the device with great precision. As with the Plus, the main advantages of the Galaxy S21 seem to be related to its size. This may end up a repeat of Note 20 Ultra situation where barely anyone has seen the non-Ultra in real life. But at least the vanilla S21 is smaller and cheap going for it, which is the S21 doesn't. So, okay, it's the lightest, 202 grams, most affordable, 850 euro, and display is quite low. And the main camera is just 12 megapixel, and selfie is just 10, glass rear panel, and no UWB support. Okay, so that's it for now, and let's read about more. So, okay. So this is the phones, S21 Plus, it's 6.7. Okay, super smooth 120 display, but it's everywhere on each of them. Eye comfort shield, that's interesting. Dynamic AMOLED 2.2x. Oh, let's get it out of the way. Yes, both the S21 and S21 Plus have the just small, just bad resolution displays. So, okay, behind the display is ultrasonic fingerprint reader that's 70% larger than last year. No, the camera isn't under the display. You get a standard punch hole with the same 10 megapixel resolution as before. So here it is. So we have ultra wide camera, 12 megapixel, the wide camera 12, and the telex 64 megapixel camera. Okay. So 8K, yeah, there is a filming. And it also, yeah, and the two chipsets in question are the Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2010, of course, once again dividing the world into zones of exclusive availability. There are no 4G only versions this time around. The good news for Exynos land is that the two chips are fabbed at the same foundries and use many of the same RM designed parts. So that's it, and it's including USB Type-C cable, ejection pin, and quick start guide. So no charger, no travel charger included. So this is how they look like. So this are the phones. So this is S21 plus 5G color options, and this is for just 5G phone options. It looks like this. It's a little bit different. Okay. Okay. So S21 850, S21 plus 1050. So pre-orders from tomorrow until January 29th, and when they will go into stores. If you order before then, you will receive a pair of Galaxy Buds Live on a Samsung Smart Tag for free. Okay, so that's good news. Okay, guys, so that was now, and so it's very interesting, and let's see how it goes, and stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully, I will just give you a few more information later, but yeah, I will just give you a quick view. Okay, just a second. Okay. Doesn't respond well. Okay, guys, anyway, thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.